Welcome back to the shop. One question I get asked all the time is, what accessories do I need for my new e-bike? And today, we're gonna run through some of our favorites. Believe it or not, comfort, safety, and practicality are actually pretty hard to come by with accessories. Especially with so many options, how can you tell which ones are great for you? Let me save you the hassle. Let's dive into 5 must-have accessories Biktrix recommends. A lot of you have been asking us, how can I make my ride more comfortable so I can go on longer, more enjoyable rides? Today, I'm excited to show you our best-selling ProMen Wide Comfort Saddle. This seat features a nice, plush, comfortable, high-density foam seating, and just look at how wide this thing is. The seat features a dual rubber spring design that helps absorb bumps. Especially when going on long rides, the constant vibration transferred through a regular seat can make your rear end go numb, and this solves all that. Last, and most importantly, this features a vent for your private area, because who wants to ride down on a hot day without proper ventilation? When I first started riding an e-bike, I was riding so long my hands would go numb. That's why I wish I knew about this accessory earlier. I want to show you the Hafni Comfort Grips. They were a game changer for me. These grips feature a wider platform for your palm to alleviate strain, plus integrated bar ends to give you an alternate hand position so you can say goodbye to numbness. You'll feel it instantly. You'll have more control and less discomfort. If you're like me, you probably want to haul a few items and get groceries with your e-bike. The Biktrix Flexi Pannier not only fits the entire width of the rear rack, but also expands vertically for more cargo space. My favorite part about this bag is you can unzip the sides and voila, 2 mini panniers roll out. Best of all, it's made with waterproof polyester that'll keep your stuff dry. Now, if you've ever fumbled while trying to grab your phone while riding, sounds like you need a good and sturdy phone mount. Most phone mounts on the market only fit specific phones, have limited adjustability, or you need to take your phone out of the case just to make it fit, and that opens a whole nother can of worms. The thing I like about this phone mount is how adjustable and sturdy it is without having to take my phone out of the case. Simply expand, place in your phone, tighten it up, and it's just that easy. You know your phone's secure with a robust, all-metal construction. While riding an e-bike, the safest thing you could do is be heard. But, believe it or not, it's really difficult to find a loud, nice-sounding bell. Most bells aren't loud, sound cheap, and don't last. With an all-metal construction, this bell is built to last. Not only does it sound great, but with 85 decibels on tap, others will be able to hear you as well. So with this bell, you can look stylish, be heard, and get yourself a bell that'll last for years to come. At Biktrix, we understand that getting a quality accessory to support your e-bike is essential. Everybody wants to ride with comfort, quality, and better performance. So head on down to biktrix.ca to see our full selection.